Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update. Today is Monday, February 3rd. Guys, we had two really killer trades today. We had one small one. We shorted here on an advanced understanding trade up here. We made a little bit of money, but it was a break even for anybody with more than one contract or that wanted to try to hold. I'm going to run through everything here really. From left to right, we had an ES, we had an understanding trade, RS trade at 55.75, and it was on the 11:15 candle. Once it started getting going, it made some good money. I called 49.50 as a target. 49 to 50 as a target when we got in it. It did go lower than that. When next target was 44, but we did have that initial target. I told everybody 52 to 50 could go down, dip down to 49, which is exactly what happened on this wick here. So just a really good trade. Even if somebody just held for the minimum, made 2 to 3 points. From 55.50, it went down to 2/4. Just on the initial push, it went 3, and then 6 to the next target, and then not everybody held after that, but it went down another, one of 11 to the next target. Great trade. And then in the NASDAQ, that was our basic monster, no heat whatsoever. I called the ZL mid candle right at the open. I told everybody 36.37. My exact words were is that it may come down as low as 35, but don't wait for 35 because you might not get filled. Try to get filled somewhere between 36, anywhere between 36 and 37. It didn't matter. All of them were filled right there at the bottom of that wick in that box. And the thing took off. Thing made 200 ticks. This was my first major target. I really kind of told everybody, look, if you got one left, either trail really tight or exit it. Again, after 200 ticks, most people were out of the trade. It went up to the next target area here. And then here we had an area where we thought it may bounce around a little bit. Told everybody there's a chance, it may do this here. It may do this here. I warned everybody that it had to go really quick. It did come down about 12 ticks from where we got in at 25. It would have just been a break even. Take your 8-10 ticks, move your stop down, and that would have been it. And we knew that was a possibility because I said if it doesn't come down and close below 20, it's gonna go back up to our next level. And that's exactly what happened. So small trade there. Again, possibly somebody could have scalped up to 10, 12 ticks on it. But if anybody did that with more than, let's say they had 2 contracts, they would have moved their stop up, and they would have had a break even on that trade. So really, other than that, those were our other 2 monsters were here, and there was no losing trades in the room. It was a great way to start the week. I want to come back and let everybody know we're coming back tomorrow. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. 10-day free trial, 25 hours of analysis and calls and questions and everything. There's no credit card required for that at all, and we can certainly help you with your consistency in your trading if you so desire, and we'd love to have you check us out. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.